Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone. Thank you for your join to me. My name is Sari Dewiani. I am from the Faculty of Dentistry, Universitas Profesor Dr. Mustopo Beragama, Jakarta, Indonesia. Today I want to share our study with the title Comparison of the Effectiveness of Non-Herbal Whitening Toothpaste Siwak Herbal, Salvadora Persica, and Charcoal Herbal against tooth enamel discolorations. Background. The public has a high interest in preventing of removing external stains from teeth to make teeth whiter. The success of teeth whitening depends on the type of stain presence, which can be categorized of extrinsic staining, intrinsic staining, and internal discolorations. The intrinsic color of teeth is related to light and the absorption properties of enamel and dentins. The universal methods of teeth cleaning to death that is done is brushing your teeth using toothpaste. The use of toothpaste with whitening agent is recommended to eliminate external stains on teeth because there are chemical effects. Toothpaste containing whitening agent can mechanically remove external stains. Whitening ingredients in non-herbal toothpaste are known to cause unwanted side effects such as irritation, allergies, and mucosal ulcerations. Research reveals that beeswax contains a high concentrations of silica that makes the color of teeth brighter. And some other herbal ingredients that can be used as teeth whitening ingredients are also charcoal. Study objective determine the effectiveness of non-herbal whitening toothpaste, Miswak Herbal, Salvadora Persica, and activated charcoal herbal on tooth enamel discolorations. And material and methods. Study designs is laboratory experimental and sample of 40 premolar teeth inclusion criteria. One caries is done free of caries teeth that are not cracked or fractured, and there was no restorations. And the data collections, the treatment group is the fourth group. The sample amount for the premolars as group consists 10 samples of permanent first premolar from the upper on and lower jaws. The divisions of the brushing sample group consists of 10 pieces of permanent premolar teeth. First, for Miswak Herbal Toothpaste. And the one on in the group of the samples, the sample in group 1 are brushes every day, twice a day using past herbal teeth contain miswak extract, and sample in group 2 are brushed every day, twice a day using past activated charcoal extract, and the sample in group 3 are brushed each day, twice day using non-herbal toothpaste, and sample on the counter group was not brushed with toothpaste. The three groups breasting was carried out for 14 days or 2 weeks. Then the result of the sample breasting were measured using Vita AC sheet. And the results are the group of Siwak Herbal Salvadora Persica. Number one is color before breast 12.9 and color after 14 days breast 20.5. And number two, color before breast 15.8 and color after 14 days breast 16.1. And the number three, color before breast 10.8 and color after 14 days breast 19.4. And number four, color before breast 14.3 and color after 14 days breast 21.1. And number five, color before breast 15.1 and color after 14 days breast 23.3. And number six, color before breast 8.2 and color after 14 days breast 11.2. And number seven, color before breast 13.7 and color after 14 days breast 19. And number eight, color before breast 14.8 and color after 14 days breast 17.8. And number nine, color before breast 9.1 and color after 14 days breast 15.9. And number 10, color before breast 7.2 and color after 14 days breast 17.2. And the group of activated call herbal. And number one, color before breast 8.9 and color after 14 days breast 13.2. And number two, color before breast 14.4 and color after 14 days breast 19.9. And then number three, color before breast 14.4 and color after 14 days breast 10.7. And number five and number four, color before breast 12.5 and color after 14 days breast 17.6. And number five, color before breast 12.4 and color after 14 days breast is the 16.6. And number six, color before breast 13.2 and color after 14 days breast 16.5. And number seven, color before breast 8.9 and color after 14 days breast 14.8. And number eight, color before breast 8.8 and color after 14 days breast 8.5. And number nine, color before breast 13.4 and color after 14 days breast 18.9. And number 10, color before breast 11.4 and color after 14 days breast 11.9 falling 11.1. And the group of non-herbal. Number one, color before breast 12.6 and color after 14 days breast 12.2. And number two, color before breast 8.2 and color after 14 days breast 15.6. And number three, color before breast 14.2 and color after 14 days breast 9.2. And number four, color before breast 19.7 and color after 14 days breast 12.3. And number five, color before breast 11.4 and color after 14 days breast 21.2. And number 6, color before breast, 8.7. And color after 14 days breast, 13.9. And number 7, color before breast, 11.8. And color after 14 days breast, 16.4. And number 8, color before breast, 7.2. And color after 14 days breast, 11.5. And number 9, color before breast, 13.6, 13.8. And color after 14 days breast, 18.5. And number 10, color before breast, 11. Color after 14 days breast, 13.8. And the group of control, number 1, color before breast, 4. And color after 14 days breast, 13.4. And number 2, color before breast, 16.3. And color after 14 days breast, 10.4. And number 3, color before breast, 9.3. And color after 14 days breast, 12.7. And number 4, color before breast, 16. Color after 14 days breast, 13.1. And number 5, color before breast, 13.7. Color after 14 days breast, 15.4. And number 6, color before breast, 12.5. Color after 14 days breast, 9.3. And number 7, color before breast, 13.1. And color after 14 days breast, 13.3. And number 8, color before breast, 16.7. And color after 14 days breast, 6.6. And number 9, color before breast, 7.9. And color after 14 days breast, 7.5. And number 10, color before breast, 12.5. And color after 14 days breast, 12.5. Table shows the result of the study in the form of like value data based on the duration of brushing teeth with Wisok herbal toothpaste, and activated charcoal herbal toothpaste, and non-herbal toothpaste, and control. The result with the table comparison of the effectiveness toothpaste is day 1 and day 4. The herbal siwak with the color in blue, and the herbal charcoal with color orange, non-herbal with color gray, and the control with the color yellow. And based on figure had increase in the value of the tooth discoloration score on the 4th days, and namely to 1850, 1478, 1446, and 1140.42. In this study, the normality test used the Shapiro-Wilk test. And the results on CWAX mean day 1, 12.19, and the p-value mean day 14, 18.15, mean difference 5.96, and p-value 0.00. And charcoal means day 1, 11.83, and mean 14 days, 14.78, and mean difference 2.95, and p-value 0.01, 0.019. And non-herbal mean day 1, 11.86, and mean day 14, 14.46, and mean difference 2.6, and p-value 0.916. and control mean day 1 12.23 and mean 14 days 11.42 and mean difference minus 0.81 and the p-value 0.639 and difference in each group was statistically significant in this miswak toothpaste group and the charcoal toothpaste groups because the p-value less than 0.05 conclude that the null hypothesis was acceptable. Non-herbal group and the control group because the p-value more than 0.05 was concluded that the zero hypothesis was unacceptable. So the alternative hypothesis applies that there is no significant difference between the four toothpastes. And discussion. Some studies show moderate to severe change in the service of the animal after carbamide peroxide use, including demineralization, decrease organic protein concentration, and calcium loss. Many efforts have been made to reduce the side effects and demineralization due to bleaching. The results of this study are in accordance with the results of Halid et al. In 2017, conducted a research to assess the effect of miswak bleach, Salvador persica, and commercially available toothpaste as a control group. And then, although the efficacy of fluoride demineralization is substantially the material is not able to overcome the challenge of high caries experienced by some individual. Siwak is one of the natural ingredients that can whiten tooth enamel. Siwak or miswak is a system taken from the roots and twigs of the wine plants. Silica is natural abrasive agent for teeth from the miswak is material that can whiten tooth enamel. Then the result were obtained, namely miswak toothpaste shows superior results and has the potential to be an effective alternative teeth whitening product, especially from removing extrinsic stains. Conclusions. The herbal toothpaste group is more effective one in whitening tooth enamel compared to non-herbal toothpaste. And there is discoloration in enamel that have been brushed with miswak herbal toothpaste, activated charcoal herbal toothpaste, and non-herbal toothpaste for a duration of 14 days. The highest discoloration in tooth enamel is found in the brushing duration of 14 days. Discoloration of tooth enamel is caused by the hydrate silica content in herbal toothpaste and the silica content in non-herbal toothpaste. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.